Babe, really?
Mm-hmm.
Look, our little food just floating away to nothing.
Look at that truck going way up on that hill.
That's
That's our hill over there.
That's the serviceman, babe.
That's crazy, babe. Our house is literally like a half a mile over there.
It is. It sure is. You say that every time.
Yeah, it's mad bothering me.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Right in my backyard.
Oh, I feel like that way is obviously west. The sun is about to set right there. So if you're west of me, I'm on the East Coast, the literal East Coast, then you are over there, family. My West Coast family. You need to get us a canoe so we can go canoeing. Like, so you got stuff in your drink too. Yeah.
Fly boot.
Can you wipe mine off? Thank you. I'm gonna suck mine down real fast.
Don't suck it down too fast, babe.
It's okay. Oh, look at them canoeing. I know y'all can't see them out there, but all the way over there. Straight ahead. They're heading in.
Why don't we get a canoe? Like a little canoe?
Because you play too much.
What you mean I play too much?
You play too much.
Baby,
Come
how
here.
big this water is.
Hey, that's the point.
No. I'm saying like why we don't get a little canoe?
Because you
This is
play
literally our
too
backyard.
much, babe. No. There's nobody monitoring this. Nobody's checking this water.
Oh, you have to check it.
And we get out there and get stuck. That's a big body of water, actually, you know?
It's huge.
It goes for quite a while around.
No, I don't understand what you're saying. Like, I play too much. What you mean? Like, I play
Like
too
you
much?
get in
Like,
a
I'm
boat.
not going... Oh, no, girl. I love myself. Like, okay, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Okay? She's the same complexion almost, but please understand that I love me.
That's right.
A little more than I love everybody else.
That's right.
That's including you too.
That's right. That's right. You better.
All right.
That's right.
So I ain't gonna do nothing to me.
Oh.
That's gonna cause me to be taken out. So if I love me more than I love everybody else, you ain't got nothing to worry about.
Okay.
But I'm still saying, like, our house is right there.
Where we gonna park a boat at?
We could put it in the back of the garden, behind the shed.
We're gonna turn it to the Fred Sanford.
No, we ain't gonna turn it to Fred Sanford.
You want to do everything going toward the garden? No, babe.
I mean, I'm saying we can put it back, like literally just a small canoe. We can make a little shelf for it and put it in the backyard.
Oh, that's too small. We can do that.
How big of a canoe you want?
How small a one you trying to go?
I'm trying to get something that can fit both of us in, right? It could be the length of the truck.
Maybe I'm thinking canoe is the wrong boat. I'm thinking.
Yes.
That's not a canoe. That's a rowboat. A canoe is that thing you get in, like those little thin.
That's the thing that we already got a video of us in a canoe.
And that was horrible. We were way too close to the water.
Oh shit.
Way.
So you want a big old boat?
Not a big boat, but a boat.
I can't.
Man, look, that's decent.
I can't. Lord have mercy. We just can't. We
Babe.
Something simple to all of a sudden something that's costing a whole lot of money.
Well, why are you even mentioning it?
We can get one of these off eBay for $800.
No.
Easy. You all the way up in the $3,000-$4,000 mark. Yeah, matter of fact, you probably won't have a motor on it by the time it gets delivered to the house.
Just in case. Because what if something happens while we way out there and we need to roll fast? You got to think about stuff like that, babe. Who's got all that roll power? I know I don't.
I do.
I'm not in shape like that.
Man. I'm built like. But look, it go all the way. This is literally 3 minutes away. It go all the way there, all the way here. We can come out here, get a lunch, right? Get a lunch, get some rods or something. Like, put out. We be on that side, right? We just come in and throw our little thing in and just go out. We go in the middle of the lake over here and we have lunch. a dinner, right?
So romantic.
Yeah. And look how calm. Look how calm. See, they got a fishing rod on there.
That's so romantic.
And it really, that's like this conversation. What? How long do you think we've been having this conversation?
What, in time tonight or time in general?
No, right now.
About 5 minutes.
So he was all the way on the shore over there. And look. So in 5 minutes, he done rolled all the way from the shore over there to right over here in 5 minutes.
Okay.
But he do got big arms, so.
You see his arms in the shadows.
Damn flies, man. It's crazy how these flies.
They smell this bread right here. Which nothing is eating, so we gotta go feed the ducks, right?
Babe, how cool would that be? No, for real though. How cool would that be to just be out and not even roll?
Anytime he continues to talk about something, if I try to move on from it, y'all, it's gonna be revisited until we revisit it, and I mean really revisit it. Babe, we don't need a boat.
No, we don't need a whole boat, but we can get something. We can be in the middle of the water, and we just let the current, like the current going this way, we just let the current take us, and then when we get ready to go back, and then we can have your walkie-talkies.
Okay, what the walkie-talkies gonna do?
They're gonna be at the base, just in case the phone won't work. Whatever case, we still gotta work. Hey, son. Son 1, son 2. Call 911.
So we're making it like a mission.
Yeah.
And we stuck out on the lake for whatever reason.
No, I'm just saying, like the walkie-talkie. That's even more water over there. It go way back there.
Look at the boats.
Yeah.
You see how many you see?
3.
Yep, it is 3. Good job, babe. Good job. This is so beautiful out here.
Where my phone at?
Kiss. I love you.
Well, we need to be looking at this canoe.
Babe, we don't need to be looking at no canoes.
Okay, like a 4-man boat. What about that? A 4-man rowboat. No motor, all row. Oars. Okay, we can do a small thing. But yeah, that'd be so cool. That I can put in the back of the truck. It don't need a damn thing. You know how people having those things on the top of their car?
Yeah.
It don't need a trailer. Like, you don't need nothing big. It's the perfect size. It's the perfect morsel. It's the perfect morsel.
Oh, yeah, they waiting. Oh, sweet little birds. Here y'all go. No need to fight now. Now, shit. Share. It's plenty. It's plenty. Women and kids eat first. Women and kids eat first. Now the real test is you got to eat them out my hand.
Go ahead, baby.
That's the real test.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Give me to eat.
Once you reach a level of animals eating out of your hand, wildlife. Is those feathers? Those are feathers. You must come up here and eat. Now see, why you got to be leaning all over the edge like this? You just can't just toss it in here like this. You got to lean down. Right at the water's edge. But get up. Oh, see, you know what?
Oh, look, baby, this is it. This is it.
I did. I got, babe, get your butt up.
Give me some more.
Okay, look at him. Look at him.
Get out my hand, babe. Come on.
Okay. Okay, come on. Babe, I'm telling you, if you go over in this bacteria pool, I'm telling you,
Look,
sir.
Look.
But you can do that from right here on the edge. You can do it from here. Why we have to do this?
But you said the ultimate.
Why we got You could literally do it from here.
But now you do it. Let me see you do it.
You do it from here, though.
Okay, let me,
oh my God.
let me show you doing it from there.
Hey, you be so extra.
Oh, look at this little thing that came in here.
Who?
This one.
What happened?
This is a new one.
Here.
Babe, you supposed to hand feed them.
I'm hand feeding. They gotta come up here and get it. You have to walk up here and get it. Come on, trust. You have to build trust. It's all about trust.
That one's spastic. That ain't even a duck. What is that? What is that?
It's a baby.
That baby's spastic. Baby, you supposed to let them be eating out your hand.
Hey, they won't come here and do it.
Yeah, but you was telling me how it was supposed to be done. Laughing at me.
Because you was sprawled out. It's different.
Feed them, babe. That one's spastic as hell. Babe, feed the little one. It's coming up. Hold your hand out.
He's too damn fast.
Hold your hand out.
He might fucking bite.
Hold your hand out.
Babe, he might bite.
Oh, they don't hurt.
Listen, I don't want to be the one to know that.
I know it. I'm telling you.
Well, then you come down here then. Come on. Come on right here.
I'm the duck whisperer.
Okay, we're on the duck whisperer. Look, oh, they coming out for it.
There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
They don't know us.
Come on.
Oh, look, there's a shell. A real shell. Come on. Come on, little buddies. Come on, little buddies.
This one don't give a damn.
Come on, little buddies. Huh? What you say, man?
So don't hit on my little crackers.
This is all we have, y'all, here.
This little one is crazy. It is wide open. She want to eat so bad. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, that's so cute. Come on, girl. She almost. She almost.
Damn.
She almost.
Oh. That's it, man.
That's it. You feel like you did your good deed for the day?
That was it. Bye, y'all. See y'all tomorrow.